Hello, dear audience. Welcome again to English Agora Victory School. Ntansuye kubaha ikaze kuri English Agora Victory School. Ni wa mwanya wo kwiga icyongereza ariko duciye ku ma verset biblique. Ego, ariko n'icyongereza rusange kirimo n'abatizera nimoja kure. Ntansuye kubaha ikaze murakoze. None rero tukaba tujya gusoma mu bami ba mbere igice cya 17 guhera ku murongo wa 14 gushika ku murongo wa 19. Tugenda tunyarutsa umwanya n'amafaranga. Time is money. Murakoze. Mwayimana ndagushimira n'umwanya mwiza cyubana nacu. Buri nimbazi byawe bitweko kandi ibyo twiteze ko muri nosi kandi bituronka ko mu izina rya Kristo Yesu senze nizeye kandi shima. Amen. None rero tudatevye reka tugenda tubwira ko soma. Ego. Ni babami ba mbere igice cya 17 guhera ku murongo wa 14 gushika ku wa 19. Tudatevye reka tujye tubwira ko ariko ngenda ndasoma umurongo umwe cyangenda ntanga isiguro yawo mu Kirundi tujye tugenda tumenyaho amavokabulary nivyo. None rero ndahera ku murongo wa 14 avuga ngo for this is what the Lord the God of Israel says, the jar of flour will not be used up, and the jug of oil will not run dry until the day the Lord sends rain on the land. News. For this is what the Lord, the God of Israel, says. Uku niko Uhoraho Imana ya Isirayeli agize. This tujya tubona ko ya prono demonstrative ivuga ngo iki this birimo byo tumaze kurengana nuko the jar of flour will not be used up. The jar ni nkaga la kish agakono kifu flour nifu will not be used up. To be used up ni kurangira naho kazokwigera karangira kazohoraho nicyo gituma masuka agafuka dahera nivyo. And the jug of oil will not run dry. The jug ni akanozei akantu bashiramo amavuta of oil n'amavuta olive oil turazi ko amavuta ya elayo will not run dry. To dry ni kukama seshe. None rero ntikazokwigira gakama. Turane tusanze tuzi ko ari kwiruka ariko turane dry nta kazokwigera gakama kuko ntidusigura literalmo ngo nako gakarabo nikazoshiramo amavuta. And the jug of oil will not run dry nivyo until the day the Lord sends rain on the land. Gushika ku munsi Uhoraho azorekurira imvura kwisi. Until gushika jiska the day umunsi the Lord Uhoraho cyangwa Imana sends kive muri the verb to send envoyer kurungika azorungikira imvura. To send rain ni imvura ariko to rain ni kugwa. Nta dushaka kuvuga ngo it's raining imvura irikiragwa on the land kwisi nivyo. Umurongo wa 14 turawurangije reka tujya ku murongo wa 15. Murakoze. Naho aravuga ngo she went away and did as Elijah had told her. Ngo nuko aragenda agira she went away kive muri the verb to go away ariko kiri muri kahise kuko bari kuvuga ngo she goes away ariko bavuze she went away kubera ni muri kahise ngo nuko aragenda agira nkuko Eliya yamubariye. And did as Elijah had told her. Harutya twumva ko gisubirira umugore kuko yaba yari umugabo cyangwa umuhungu twatuvuga told him. As told the past participle of the verb to tell nayo ni raconter cyangwa dire kubwira umuntu kubwira kandi acaza akavuga ngo muri wa murongo nyene wa 15 ntituraheza ngo so there was food every day for Elijah and for the woman and her family. Kandi uwo mugore n'abo mu rugo rwiwe na Eliya bahorana ibyo kurya every day ni misi yose. So there aho was a food hagumye njya every day, tous les jours, always, toujours, for Elijah, kubwa Eliya, and for the woman and her family. Woman ni la femme, opposite ni husband ariyo mari. Nivyo twarabonye widow ko ari veve, widowa ko ari umupfakazi w'umugabo, widow nawe umupfakazi w'umugore. Nivyo uwo yari woman ariko yari na n'umuveve, ni ukuvuga umupfakazi ari naco cyitwa widow, kuko umugabo nawe umupfakazi ni widow. Nivyo ngo nuko hahora ibyo kurya ku bwa Eliya n'uwo mugore n'umuryango wiwe. Nivyo tucara kuri verse ku murongo wa 15 twahejeje, tuja ku murongo wa 16 naho aravuga ngo for the jar of flour was not used up and the jug of oil did not run dry, in keeping with the word of the Lord spoken by Elijah. For the jar of flour was not used up. Ako gaseke nikashiramo ifu. The jar of flour twamvise ko ari ifu. Jar nako kageranijwe n'agaseke natubona ko ari nk'akantu k'akaresipiya. Was not used up. To be used up. Ntaho kigeze gashira. Nivyo. And the jug of oil did not run dry. Sano ariko barasubiramwo ya maverbe kuko niko amaverse agenda kurikirana. Kandi nako gakarabo nikashiramwo amavuta. To run dry. Dry ni seshe. Naho kigeze kuma, naho kigeze gakama. To run dry naho muca mwumva ko ari gukama. Ego tutagiye littéralement. Nivyo. In keeping with the word of the Lord spoken by Elijah, nk'uko ijambo ry'uhoraho ryavuze ibicishije muri Eliya. In keeping, to keep ni garder, ubwiye littéralement, with the word of the Lord spoken kivuye muri the verb to speak. Spoken ni past participle ya to speak. Nivyo by Elijah, nuko byari byavuzwe na Eliya. Nuko in keeping with the word of the Lord spoken by Elijah, nuko ijambo ry'uhoraho ryavuze ibicishije muri Eliya. Tuja ku murongo wa 17 naho. Sometime later, the son of the woman who owned the house became ill. He grew worse and worse, and finally stopped breathing. Nivyo bivuga ngo sometime later ni hanyuma y'ivyo byari byabaye by'agafu aho bagakoresha kadahera. Inyuma y'ivyo, sometime later, inyuma y'ivyo, the son of the woman who owned the house became ill. The son of the woman ni umuhungu wa mugore who owned the house, yari nyene inzu, le propriétaire de la maison, who owned the house, became ill, aragwara. He grew worse and worse, ateraremba. To grow worse and worse ni haji ikintu kitera cononekara kiba kibi. To grow worse and worse, ariko kubera bagiye muri kahise bacavuga ngo he grew, bakonjuga the verb to grow. He grew worse and worse. He grew worse and worse, atera aremba, and finally stopped breathing. Birangirira kudahumeka. Finally, finalement, stopped. To stop ni arrêter, guhagarika. Breathing, to breathe ni guhema. aca ari ashika ahantu atagihema nibyo. She said, tugiye ku murongo wa 18, she said to Elijah, what do you have against me, man of God? Did you come to remind me of my sin and kill my son? Nacho tucinjiremo dusigura. She said to Elijah, abarira Eliya ati, what do you have against me, man of God? Twapfuye iki ga muntu w'Imana? What do you have against me? To be against someone, être contre quelqu'un. Kubaho uteye ku n'inyungu zanaka. What do you have against me, man of God? Twapfuye iki ga muntu w'Imana? Did you come to remind me of my sin and kill my son? Waje iwanje kwibukiriza ibyaha byanje no kunyicishiriza umwana. To remind ni hapere kwibutsa my sin icyaha and kill my son. To kill nitiwe kwica my son, turabona ko ari umuhungu wanje. Okay, nibyo ngo waje kwibukiriza ibyaha byanje no kunyicishiriza umwana. Urumva ko waje iwanje byatumye Imana inyibuka imyumvira yibuka ibyaha byanje. Icyo bisigura. Murakoze. Tujya tugera ku murongo wa nyuma wa 19 havuga ngo, give me your son. Elijah replied. He took him from her arms, carried him to the upper room where he was staying, and laid him on his bed. Give me your son. Mpa umwana wawe. Eliya yamusaba ati uwo mwana. Elijah replied. Nukuvuga Eliya yishuye kuri rya jambo umugore yaramubwiye ati dufiki waje kwirukiriza Imana ngo yibuke ibyaha byanje nyikira umwana. Niho rero acamubwiye ati give me your son. Mpa umwana wawe. Elijah replied. Eliya nivyo yamwishuye. He took him from her arms. Amumukura mu maboko. He took kivuye muri the verb to take. To take ni prendre, gufata ikintu kagitora. Him gisubirira uwo muhungu. Yaba yari umukobwa twaje tuvuga her. From her arms. Her arms, her ni kubera cyegukira umugore. Nuko rero he took him from her arms. Acatora wa mwana mukura mu maboko y'uwo mugore. Carried him to the upper room. Aca amudugana mu cyumba cyo hejuru. To carry ni guterura. Rero aca muterura amujana in the upper room, mu cyumba cyo hejuru aho yaba, where he was staying, aho yari asanzwe aba. To stay ni rester, ariko ni nkaco kimwe na demeurer. And laid him on his bed. Amurambika ku buriri bwiwe ku gitanda ciwe. Ni turei ni kurambika, naho gifita isiguro nyinshi. Ariko muri iyi siguro gisigura kurambika. Amurambika ku gitanda ciwe. Bed ni igitanda. His bed cyumva ko ari igitanda cyegukira umugore cyangwa no cyegukira umugabo cyangwa umuhungu. Iyo kiba cyegukira umugore cyangwa umukobwa twaje tuvuga her bed. Nibyo. None rero subscribe. Ariko aha tuja twumva ko lesomo morale y'uno munsi tuzoca tuyibandanye tuyishikako neza mu iki kigo gikurikira. Tugomze kugarukira hafi, twanga kugira birebire. Ego. None rero subscribe, like, share and comment. Bivana n'ururimi mukoresha. Subscribe ushobora kugira s'abone, gutyo bikunde yuko ibiganiro bishikira benshi. Ego. Na platforme igira umwete wo kubikwiragiza, ibone yuko byabashimishije n'ibyo. Comment nayo, kugira commentaire bituma umuntu amenya icyo akwiye guhindura. Murakoze rero, naho hanyuma. Mwimana ndagushimiye utugenda tugira neza, kandi ibi tugenda tusoma bijyanye no kwizera bitume natwe tukwizigira, kandi icyo twiteze ko muri ino si udushoboze kugishikako. Hanyuma ishimwe n'icyubahiro bice bigenda bibyara mu izina rya Kristo Yesu senze nizeye kandi shima. Amen.